Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As part of Automation Anywhere A360 series, we are going to learn each and every concept and advanced concepts in A360, and we are learning commands first. In the commands topic agenda, we have already covered message box, variables, data types, and files. We have covered few concepts. So we are going to cover remaining concepts in files package. Let me go to developer editor. So let me delete the existing code from here. And now today we're going to see few things like assign. So what is the use of this assign? So you can assign any file to a specific variable. So you can just utilize that variable throughout the process. Okay, here we have three options. So you can assign one variable to another variable, or desktop file to variable, or control room file to variable. So we will see all these options. So variable to variable is not required. Why? Because here we are trying to assign to variable only. So we will see uh, desktop and control room. So here I have selected the desktop. So first I will select the any one of the file. Desktop file is nothing but your local VDI file. So you can choose any one of the file from your local VDI. So let me select something target folder, and let me select the data. So here we need to assign it to a specific output variable, that file type. So if there is no variable, declared in the variable session, you can just click on create variable. Here you can see the type is file type. So this is a new data type. You cannot find this file data type in most of the other programming languages. So you may aware like string, integer, boolean, float. These are all the data types. But in Automation Anywhere A360 file path, we have a separate data type called file. So here let me provide v file path. Please follow the naming conventions, either v file path or the something like that. We should follow the same naming convention throughout the process, and you should provide the descriptive, you know, variable name. Then only the support team guy or a new developer can easily understand your code and variables and mapping everything. Okay. So here I have created that thing, and let's click on save. So in let's suppose if you want to rename this file, or if you want to delete this file, or if you want to do something, then you can just utilize this variable name only. So first of all I'll go to that specific path, downloads, and this one, and target. So this is our file. So I want to delete this file, so using variable only. So what I'll do, I'll just select the delete file, and I'll just pass the variable which we have created just now, that is v file name. So if you are unable to find it over here, why? Because message box supports only few string data type only. String data types only it supports, but our data type is file data type. So you can just type dollar and choose whatever the folder path you want to select, and just type dot to string. So that means you are going to convert, you are going to convert from one data type to another data type. So file name, get path string, and let me click on save. Now I'll try to execute and run this code. The box is running, and we will also quickly open our target file, and destination.xlsx is the. So here confusion. So here we have one CSV file and one that file. No doc. Let me do this one. What otherwise I choose. I let me rename it to functional F2. delete file. So I want to delete this particular delete xlsx file. So what I'll do, I'll just select this naming name, sorry, control Z, name from here, and then I'll assign it to this variable value. So let me go to here and let me change the data file name to delete file, and let me click on save, and let me run this task once again. Not this one. So let's see, so whether the delete file should be or not. So we have an error. Delete file dot csv does not exist. So this is not a CSV file, it's XLSX file. So let me change it to XLSX. Okay. So okay, this is XLSX file. So let me click on save and let me try to run this code once again. So let's see. So this time it is going to delete that file. First of all, we are going to assign this path to a specific variable, and pass to the delete. So if you see delete files, xlsx has been deleted from this folder. Okay, this is how you can utilize this assign package to assign a variable or path to a specific variable. So we have covered. You can also select the file from control room. So let me click on choose. So you can freshly upload a file to control room by clicking on upload option, and you can browse and select the file from your local VDI, and that file instance will be available in control room permanently unless and until if you delete that particular file. Okay, so or else if you want to select already available files in the control room. So here you can see few files are already available, and let me select the DLL file. Let me choose. So this is how you can select from the control room file as well as desktop file. So this is the main advantage, assigning path to a specific variable. Either you can assign from variable to variable, or desktop file to variable, or control room file to a variable. And then here you can delete the file. So to delete the file, you can just pass the get file path and name extension. Okay, so if you have any queries or concerns, please drop me a message in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you, or if required, I'll make another video for you. Okay. Hope I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified every time when I upload a new series and videos. Thank you guys. So in the next session, we are going to cover remaining concepts in the file package, and we'll conclude file package option from A360.